Welcome to Middle School Math Course 1. This is Unit 8, Integers and Number Lines. Topic 1, Number Lines, Positive Numbers, Negative Numbers. Let's go. What is a number line? A number line is a straight line with numbers placed in order. It helps us compare numbers and show their position. Think of it like a road. Numbers get smaller as you go left and bigger as you go right. Positive numbers. On a number line, positive numbers are the numbers greater than 0. On a number line, they are to the right of the 0. The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. are all positive numbers because they are greater than 0. Right means positive. Negative numbers on a number line. Negative numbers are the numbers less than 0. On a number line, they are to the left of 0. The numbers -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5, etc., going that way, are all negative numbers because they are less than 0. So again, think of it like a road. Left means negative. Excellent job. Now let's look at some tips and tricks for using positive and negative numbers on a number line. Number 1, left is less. Number 2, right is more. Number 3, 0 is the turning point. Number 4, compare numbers. And number 5, use real life examples. Now let's slow that down. On a number line, numbers get smaller as you go to the left. That means less. -5 is less than -1. And then on a number line, numbers get bigger as you go to the right. Again, right means more. So 4 is greater than -2. 0 is in the middle of the number line. Positive numbers are to the right of 0. Negative numbers are to the left of 0. The number that is farther to the right is always greater. The number that is farther to the left is less. So 3 is greater than -4. Temperatures. -5 degrees Celsius is colder than 2 degrees Celsius. Elevator floors. -2 is below ground level. Money. -$10 is debt. That's money that is owed, not death, but debt. Okay, that's money that is owed. But if it's a positive $15, then that's pretty much savings. It's money you have. Excellent job. Remember, smaller numbers are on the left and bigger numbers are on the right. Wonderful job, creative learning adventurers. Like, comment, and subscribe for more. We will see you next time.